Where are
Man, look, the reason this exists right now, it's a crazy reason. But y'all gon' find out. Let's listen.
Niggas think they one up on me. They gon' fuck around and gon' find out they gon' run up on me. I'ma give them something to see. I ain't overwhelmed by the eyes. I just stand 10 toes on my feet. They gon' let a fuck nigga kill my vibes. What the hell a fuck nigga know about me? That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. Another nigga that really wanna try his luck. Take a gang of niggas to fucking hype him up. Ain't no secret that they don't really like the boy. But I bit back and fucking hit it home. I told that bitch leave that shit alone. Nigga the only thing that fucking triple up. Hit harder than a shot at damn Patron. I'm many to you. Finish acting fucking friendly with you. Mr. Walker, you wanna be enemies, do you? And this shit just for attention, I swear I gave plenty to you. At first I wasn't even aiming at you, but you got in the way of my scope. Busy trying to make me the butt of the joke. But here's the punchline, niggas can't throw. I don't care what you got on me. Niggas acting like he not a gossip queen. Ready running the folks that don't ride with me. But I don't need a pressy, I'll mention that's the fucking top for me. And put you on top for the world to see. And anybody thinking that the bro a G. But it's something they don't know about T. He ain't gon' die trying to count with me. Think they one up on me. They gon' fuck around and gon' find out they gon' run up on me. I'ma give them something to see. I ain't overwhelmed by the eyes. I just stand 10 toes on my feet. They gon' let a fuck nigga kill my vibes. What the hell a fuck nigga know about me? That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. Why I get down like this? That's on me. That's on me. But what they said, niggas claim that all they do is chase bread. Who you think told me why I was a base head? Or they betting Houdini got syphilis, niggas don't play fair. Playing both sides with your fake out. I been bad to bring the snakes out. I bet you in free life I made snap. But he isn't as good as the takeout that he live above. Bet he don't even know where I got it from. Put you on the motherfucking gossip girl. This nigga inside of the closet and don't even got a girl. You only as good as the lies you tell. Scared of no rappers, all niggas are fellas. Street till they fucking repeat what you tell them. Repeat what these niggas been selling. This walnut nigga wanna talk like he never was a motherfucking source. When you need a side, they gon' fold on you. This back and forth, they had a hold on. Fuck it, this is my last response. To get the niggas too much of my goddamn time. Imagine I'm chillin', dog, and you worry about me and mine. Niggas think they one up on me. They gon' fuck around and gon' find out they gon' run up on me. I'ma give them something to see. I ain't overwhelmed by the eyes. I just stand 10 toes on my feet. They gon' let a fuck nigga kill my vibes. What the hell a fuck nigga know about me? That's on me. That's on me.
Nah, for real, man. This dude, he wanna pop his shit and shit right. He wanna pop his shit and shit right. Look how he talking about this. Buddy with these dudes. That's on me. He dissing. Look.
You gon' fuck around till you fuck around and find out. And I'm on your ass like Brown House. You was clocking triple. You timed out. I earned this is my time now, so I'm standing here with my iron out. You had a way, but that was last year. You washed up, shit's dried out. Yeah, homie was poppin'. While you keep saying my name like we ops. Whatever you doing, just stop it. Get some money and get off my cop. Why does it go to a goblin? To be honest, not really a lot, but you don't want none of these problems. You already lost, you can stop. Damn, no we ain't equal. All of my dick that you dealing.
Now wait, this the second time you bringing up dick on my song. You better get the fuck up.
Why you come messing with me, folks? Nigga lethal. Better sit young nigga be cool. Y'all better come get your people. This ain't no free show. I think you try being a hero. That gon' turn like a zero.
They one up on me. They gon' fuck around and gon' find out they gon' run up on me. I'ma give them something to see. I ain't overwhelmed by the eyes. I just stand 10 toes on my feet. They gon' let a fuck nigga kill my vibes. What the hell a fuck nigga know about me? That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. When I get down, that's on me. That's on me.
Look. I done told these niggas stop fucking with me, man. And they egg it on. They prolong it. And I ain't even mad at you, dog. Just do you. I'm out there.